Hi, everyone. My name is David, and I'm 28 years old. I'm from New York City, but I recently moved to San Francisco for a new job opportunity. I work as a software developer at a tech company here. I enjoy my job because I love solving problems and creating new things through coding. In my free time, I like to stay active. I often go hiking on the weekends because there are so many beautiful trails around San Francisco. I'm also a big fan of playing basketball with my friends after work. It's a great way to stay fit and have fun at the same time. Besides sports, I'm really into music. I play the guitar, and I've been practicing for about 5 years now. I enjoy learning new songs and sometimes even writing my own music. Listening to live music at local venues is another one of my favorite activities. Another thing I'm passionate about is traveling. I've visited a few countries in Europe and Asia, and I hope to explore more places in the future. I think traveling is a great way to experience different cultures and meet new people. I would describe myself as a friendly and curious person. I like learning new things, whether it's a new programming language, a recipe, or a new hobby. I believe that life is all about growth and trying out new experiences. That's a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to meeting more people and making new connections here in San Francisco.